Yes.
Yeah, sure.
So
Yeah.
yeah, tell me, why does the
Okay.
egg rot?
I think it's rotting. I think the reason for this is probably because there are bacteria. Maybe they are like um breaking down the nutrients inside the egg. I think probably like the egg white because that's the material that's full of nutrients, especially I think proteins. So by breaking down them, I think it's giving these bacteria nutrients to live and reproduce, and so it would end up releasing the like really bad smelling gas. I think it gains this bad smell from sulfur, and I know that cysteine as a amino acid also contains sulfur, so I was guessing it's probably coming from there.
Very good. Actually, the first point what you told, like it's because of the bacteria, that's good. Just add on, like the shell is porous. Okay, the
Yeah,
egg shell is porous.
yeah,
So there are chance for the entry of the bacteria inside.
actually,
Okay,
yeah,
because of
sure.
that. So just add this point alone.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Uh,
Sorry.
yes, dear.
I
Tell
just
me.
have another thing to
Yes.
say. Yeah. I actually was thinking about the egg shell, but the reason I didn't say it was because I was thinking about the membrane, because I think the membrane, there's a membrane between the shell and the egg, like the content inside. And so that membrane could be quite selective. So I was thinking probably the egg, like the bacteria couldn't get in from there. I wasn't sure about this, but I was thinking could be the case.
So there, when you observe this shell, okay, there are a lot of
Yeah.
porosities in the shell.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Yeah, there's
understand that.
another
Yeah.
thing also. See, how do you find out whether it is good or a bad one? There is something called as flotation principle. Have you heard of that?
Yeah, if it's a
Flotation.
rotten one, it floats. If it's
Yeah.
a fresh one, stinks. Yeah, is
Yeah.
that?
So why does
Yeah.
it happen? Why does it happen?
Oh, I thought it was.